It literally looks like this car is covered in millions of tiny multicolored LED lights. Musso Black, according to the company, is the blackest paint in the world. We sprayed an entire car with it, and the Evo looked completely bonkers. Now, the pearl that we're going to use is ZTP Hypershift. The only chance at a win here is to get a beautiful, sparkling kind of galaxy effect over the Musso Black, to where we get sparkle, we get some color, but the Musso Black has to play a big role underneath. As soon as we get enough of an effect to where you can see the pearl and the Musso still shows through, we're going to stop. Wish us luck. All right, guys, we are done with the project, and I have one major concern, that the cameras are going to be able to pick up the absolute magic that I am seeing with my two eyeballs right now. What I'm seeing is essentially a Musso Black car. It retained not all but most of its ultra black qualities. And in some angles, it doesn't look like much. And in other angles, it literally looks like this car is covered in millions of tiny multicolored LED lights. And it's one of the coolest projects that we've ever done.